Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold 7, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. For me, that will be the home screen that is already open. And next, once it's open, simply press the power button and volume down at the same time. You get this flash along with the pop-up with edit, tag, share, and lens options. This will disappear on its own after a moment. So once it disappears, you can open up your gallery. And here we can navigate to either pictures, which will show your screenshot, or albums, in which you'll find album called screenshots right here. And there's the screenshot that we have captured a moment ago. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.